just making it from scratch. It's very good. We're blessed with different recipes that people love. So yeah, we have a lot of different stuff that's popular. But my most important signature cake for me, is carrot.
Keijuane Hester has Favor, but the owner of Favor Desserts took an unusual path to get here.
My stint with entrepreneurship started when I was on the wrong path, went to prison for drug trafficking. While I was there, you had to work.
He didn't know his life would change twice behind bars. First, just being in prison, and second, meeting Mr. Blackwell.
He started teaching me everything from scratch, how to bake cookies, breads, pies, cheesecakes, cakes, you name it, from scratch. And one day he told me, I'm teaching you this trade, and if all fails, when you go home, you'll have a trade to fall back on.
Fast forward 6 years to his release.
There was this recipe that I wrote down, and I said, I'm gonna try this when I get home. Just the carrot cake. That's the only thing I brought with me home from prison.
After a layoff and nearly a wrong turn with the law again, he remembered the recipe.
In an instant, something said, step out on your gift, and that gift was the gift of baking. And so, living out of the townhouse, I started baking cakes, going to every barbershop, beauty salon, nail salon with these cakes. I didn't even have a business name.
He set small goals, a pan, a professional mixer. Then came bigger ones, a storefront.
And I never let no one tell me where I could go in life. How bad you want it. It's all about how bad you want it. I want it bad, bad, big bad.
He's still thinking big. More stores and even a distribution center, giving back to the community that gave him so much.
Because I want to ultimately open up job opportunities for people who look like me, who have a record like me, who's a felon like me, that's looking for a second chance, that can't ultimately get it in society today.